The Yellow Jacket Combustible Gas Leak Detector is an HVAC technician's must-have. In this video, we will cover the advantages and differentiators with this product to quickly detect gas leaks in hard-to-reach places. The Yellow Jacket Combustible Gas Leak Detector has a compact 10-inch probe to detect potential leaks. Let's get started. Press the power button on the leak detector. This begins the 45-second warm-up cycle. During the warm-up phase, the detector displays the word heat and the time remaining. Your device is constantly monitoring for any instantaneous change in hydrocarbon content in the environment. If any is sensed, re-zeroing for temperature changes stops, and levels are displayed on the screen. Hover over potential leak areas to find the location of the leak. As you approach the leak, the numbers and gauge indicators increase. As you go away from the leak, the numbers will decrease. If the measured concentrations exceed the full detector's range, the internal buzzer will start beeping at the maximum repetition rate, and the lower display will show the label OFL for overflow. When the H button is pressed, the hold mode is activated. During this mode, the current value is frozen on the lower 4 digits on the display. When in this mode, the detector displays hold and plays a short beep. If the H button is pressed again, the detector will exit from the hold mode and a short beep will play as a confirmation. This has been a demonstration of the Yellow Jacket Combustible Gas Leak Detector, part number 69310. For more details, visit yellowjacket.com for product and customer support information.